Hello, I'm meteorologist Keith Stellman. Welcome to the National Weather Service weekly weather briefing for Thursday, November 7th, 2013. Here's a look at the latest satellite image in upper level pattern showing a large trough of low pressure across the eastern United States and a cold front currently moving through Georgia. This cold front will move through during the day on Thursday, and drier air will filter in behind the front. This image shows the amount of rain that fell during the past 24 hours, ending at 8 a.m. Eastern Time Thursday morning. Reported precip amounts are generally confined to the area north and west of I-85, and most areas saw less than a quarter of an inch. A few isolated locations in extreme northwest Georgia reported closer to half an inch. As the cold front moves through Georgia, we can expect strong winds to pick up out of the northwest and continue through the afternoon into the evening hours. We can also expect steady or falling temperatures as colder air filters in from the northwest. Most areas will have seen their highs during the early part of the day as this cooler air moves in. Looking ahead to the weekend, pleasant and dry conditions are expected with maybe some cool mornings and mild afternoons from Saturday all the way through Monday. No precip is expected during that time. However, we can expect some cool mornings and maybe some isolated frost, especially Friday and Saturday morning. Our big weather maker starts to take shape by Tuesday of next week as a very strong Arctic high builds south out of Canada, denoted in the blue lines on the image, and gives Georgia its first real shot at winter by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. In fact, this high is cold enough and there is enough moisture around to potentially give the mountains of North Georgia its first real shot at a few flurries Wednesday night into Thursday. There are, however, some timing discrepancies in the models currently indicated in the graphic in the lower left. One particular model is a full day slower than the other, which means that we could experience our winter blasts as early as Tuesday night, or, in the case of the other model, as late as early Thursday. Both models agree, however, that this big blast of cold air is coming to Georgia. How cold are we talking? This graphic shows the raw model temps from the faster of the two models for Wednesday evening at around 8 p.m., where temps are already below freezing across much of North Georgia. High temperatures may not get out of the 40s across most of the area on Wednesday and drop into the low and mid-20s by Thursday morning. Stay tuned through the weekend into early next week as this first big blast of winter heads our way. In summary, the rain that's left will be light and diminishing throughout the rest of the day. Expect windy and cooler conditions behind the front as it moves through the state. Looking ahead to the weekend, it looks nice with temps generally in the 60s and 70s during the afternoons and in the upper 30s to lower 40s during the overnight hours. The big story will be the big chill coming next week, which will be our first true winter blast for this winter. There are some timing differences in the models as when the cold air will arrive. It could be as early as Tuesday and as late as Thursday. Stay tuned as that weather event unfolds through the weekend.